People wagwan, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna prepare carrot beetroot drink. The carrots already peel and wash, as well as the beetroot. I am using one beetroot. Now instead of using a juicer or a blender, I am gratering the carrots. So I rather to use this grater than the Jamaican traditional old-fashioned grater, because that grater tends to cut up my fingers. Okay? Yeah, man. So now I am combining the grated carrots along with the beetroot. So without adding water, I'm gonna strain the juice, squeeze out the juice, I should say, through a strainer into a jug. So as you can see, the small amount of juice I got from 7 carrots and 1 small beetroot. So I am adding about 2 cups of water to that, and then I'm gonna sweeten with some condensed milk, sweetened condensed milk, and then I'm gonna strain it again. I am adding vanilla, and I am gonna add just a little bit of a rum that we call Janko Bati. Yeah, it is the, well, overproof white rum is the watered down version for this rum. So this rum is the real deal, right? Yeah, man. I am adding grated nutmeg. Give it a good stir, and then I'm gonna put into the freezer to be chilled. So I'm not gonna add any ice to it because I don't want it to water down anymore. So I'm gonna put it into the freezer, allow it to chill, and then form soft ice and enjoy, right? Yeah, man. Wow, good.